How to use Replit for Python programming. Want to learn Python without installing anything? Let's use Replit to start coding online. So go ahead and open replit.com into your browser and then sign up with Google, GitHub, or email. Now from here, go ahead and click on this Create App button, which you'll basically find at the top left of your screen, and that will take you here. So choose Python as your language and then name your project and click on create. So to be able to do that, you need to upgrade your plan into a premium plan. So once you have upgraded your plan, you can go ahead and select Python as the programming language of this specific application. And you can also name your project and click on create. So type your code in the editor. For example, print a message with print hello replit. Click the Run button at the top and your output appears in the console on the right. Use the Packages tab to install libraries like NumPy or Request. They're added automatically to your environment. Store APIs securely in secrets, access them in your code with OS and Viron key name. Invite collaborators to add it in real time or share your project link. You can also deploy apps directly. And that's it. Replit makes Python programming simple, accessible, and collaborative. So start coding today. And that is how you can basically use Replit for Python programming.